Getting organized is way more than pretty bins and tidy spaces. It can also save you money. And who does not want to save money? Use these helpful hacks to make your life easier and save yourself some money in the process.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to P.S. Home Interiors. My name is Danielle and this is Ashley. On this channel, we share interior design and organization tips, tricks, and hacks so that you love where you live one room at a time. If that's something you are interested in, consider subscribing. Not using it? Sell it. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get money into your pockets. You know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. This applies to more than just those god-awful Tyler Perry plays too. While decluttering, you probably will find useful things you forgot all about or valuable things that you have not used in months or maybe even years. So sell it and make some cash.
So the next tip is for those who may live in an apartment or tight spaces. We recommend using small space organizing. These are super impactful ideas like near the entryway where storage for shoes, coats, bags, keys, and all the other necessities that we carry around can be easily accessible. If your main door opens straight into the living room, wall-mounted organizers can help you fake a functional entryway. A hook provides a spot to hang the dog's leash on the inside of a cabinet door.
We have already talked to you guys about creating landing zones for things that get dropped off around the home, or adding a paper zone dedicated to storing bills if you still receive them by snail mail, coupons, and anything else paper that you need quick access to. You will know where it is, and when you sit down to pay your bills, you'll avoid those pesky late fees because all of your important papers are easily accessible.
We also recommend that you organize your pantry. We see those 3 packets of oatmeal that you keep pushing further and further back into your pantry. This is a huge money saver because you'll stop wasting money buying food because it expires before you can enjoy it. When restocking your pantry, don't take the lazy route and just dump those manufacturer boxes inside of the bins in your pantry. Move the food items that will be expiring first to the front so that you and your family will have access to eating it first, creating less waste, saving you money.
An organized pantry is both aesthetically pleasing and a major space saver. Use clear jars to decant dry goods and risers or stackable bins to maximize vertical space. Labeling the jars or canisters makes it easy to maintain your organizing system, and it helps you clearly see what you've run out of. While we're in the kitchen, let's move on to those spices. Most people generally have spices they reach for every time they cook. And then there are those spices you bought for that one recipe that was gross. This is not only a waste of space, but it is also a waste of money. Invest in a spice rack that allows you to see all the spices you have at once. You can keep them in the containers they came in if you feel that those cute little jars are a waste of time. Or if you're into the aesthetics, then decant them into plastic or glass jars and create those beautiful labels everyone fawns over.
Well, that sums up today's video. If you guys are interested in more organization, click this video right here. We'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.